Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, do the benchmark test comparison between the Realme GT versus the iQOO 7 device using the GT mode and using the Ultra Game mode. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video. So let's see how much difference we can actually expect between both phones in terms of the temperatures and in terms of the battery draining as well. So this is going to be really interesting friends because both phones are completely charged to 100%. As you can see clearly, both phones 100% charged, completely full. Now I'll try to use the full brightness and I'll try to turn on the GT mode as well. Let me turn on GT mode. As you can see, the GT mode has been started in the Realme GT. That's fantastic. And now let me try to open the benchmark application in both phones. And both phones, these are the scores before we got an Ultra Game mode is also turned on in the Realme, in the iQOO 7 device, sorry. And let me try to keep full brightness. Full brightness I did keep in both phones. And everything is clear completely from the background as well, as you can see clearly. Now let's start the test and let's see how much the battery will decrease and how much the benchmark score we can actually expect between both phones. And this is my first time doing this kind of testing friends, intense kind of testing. Temperature readings you can see before starting the test how they are. Temperatures 1 degree slightly more in the Snapdragon 888 processor from the Realme GT versus Snapdragon 870 chipset from the iQOO 7 device. Let's see how much difference can it be there using the GT mode versus Ultra Game mode. So this is going to be very interesting friends. And in case if you're interested in this kind of content, let me know in the comment section below what are other comparisons you want me to compare between both phones. And again I'll be back after some time friends, then we can actually discuss more details about this temperatures, what is happening. As you can see friends, right now we're getting close to end of the results as well. The temperatures are 36.6 degrees and 41.4 degrees. As you can see clear difference how much the temperatures are high between the Snapdragon 888 processor versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. As you can see friends clearly. So we're getting really high temperatures from the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So that's kind of really expected from the Snapdragon phone, Snapdragon 888 mainly. So as you can see clear proof what is happening between the Snapdragon 870 and the Snapdragon 888. So definitely you will get the ultimate performance from the Snapdragon 888. You will get the ultimate performance. That's not at all a problem, but that will definitely result in higher temperatures. As you can see clearly for how much increased benchmark is showing. It's kind of really high temperatures at this moment. Let's check what is the benchmark application is showing the temperatures at this point. And you can see the battery percentage decreased how much? 98 and 97% battery percentage. You can see the temperature indications as well between both phones, how they are. And now let me go back to the scores, how much we got, and these are the scores. You can actually compare CPU and the GPU and memory score and everything, and the temperatures and the battery drain. As you can see friends, so even everything, the Realme GT is clearly the highest points which has got recorded, but CPU there is not much change, but GPU is the one which is really huge difference between both phones in terms of the GPU. So gaming is going to be really stable in the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So which I did observe in the yesterday's Genshin Impact gameplay. When I did, the temperatures did not increase much. It was able to maintain around 42 and 43, not more than, not much. So again I did get very good solid performance in this phone in the Genshin Impact. Yesterday only I did upload the video, so make sure to check that video. So that's friends, thank you for watching, and this is a test using with the complete full brightness and with the GT mode and Ultra Game mode. This much of scores we got. See you in the next video friends, and stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.